Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we are going to discuss about the project Multi Modal Biometric System, fusion of face and fingerprint biometrics at matching score fusion level. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract of the process. Biometric has been developed to be one of the most relevant technologies used in the information technology, that is the IT security field. Uni-modal biometric systems have a variety of problems which decreases the performance and accuracy of these systems. One way to overcome the limitation of the uni-modal biometric system is through fusion of the form of multi-modal the biometric systems. Fusion of some of the biometrics like fingerprint, face, palm print, like that we can iris, like that we can fuse together to generate the multimodal biometric system. Hence, in this process we developed based on the multimodal biometric system based on fingerprint and face recognition system. In this process we have two kinds of input. One is the fingerprint, then the another one is the face. By using the fingerprint and the fingerprint and face, we can authenticate the person. Finally the performance was evaluated. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram of the process. This is the overall working flow of the process. The process consists of the modules such as input, pre-process, segmentation, feature extraction, classification, and finally performance estimation. Now at first the image acquisition will be taken from the data set. So we have two kinds of images is there. One is face image and then the another one is the fingerprint image. First of all we have to take the face image as an input from the data set. The data set consists of both the face and fingerprint for several persons. After getting any one person from the data set, we just move to the second stage of the project, that is the pre-processing. In this pre-processing, the image will be resized into an 256 x 256. Because some of the images having the higher dimension, it will take too much of time to execute the process. So that's why we prefer for the image resize to maintain the aspect ratio of the image size. After that we just move to the third stage of the project, that is the face detection. So the face detection is done by using the Addons method. This is a kind of segmentation process. I just explained this simultaneously for the fingerprint also. So after these steps we just extract the fingerprint from the dataset. So the dataset consists of lot of fingerprint images which having the authenticated and the unauthorized persons too. After that, getting any one image from the dataset, we just move to the grayscale conversion and the image resize also. So the fingerprint also undergo for the image resize as well as the grayscale conversion. Then segmentation. During the segmentation, here the morphological operation is done to segment the fingerprint regions. For face detections, we are using the Addons method to extract the facial parts. After that, feature extraction. So in this feature extraction, the common algorithm is GLCM, gray level co-occurrence matrix, is used for both the face as well as the fingerprint to extract the features from the images. After extracting these two images, features from these two images, we just combining these two features to generate the test feature. After generating the test feature, we just move to the next stage of the project, that is the classification. In this classification stage, it will classify whether the input person is authenticated or not. If the person is authorized person, means it will display the message like authorized, or else it will display the message like unauthorized person. After that, matching results. So this is just for the display purpose, like previously I have told, just displaying the result as authenticated or not. Finally, performance measures. In this performance measures, we are going to apply the performance parameters like accuracy, sensitivity, correct rate, or else the specificity of the process. Now we are going to discuss about the initial running procedure of the process. At first, open the Anaconda 3 Spider 3.7. So after that, you have to change the current directory like this, in which the main file has done. So after that, you have to open the main file.py. Then you have to select the images from the dataset. Now I have selected the images from the dataset. This is the original images I have selected from the dataset. So the first dataset consists of the face image. I have took one face from the dataset. After that, we just move to the pre-processing. In this pre-processing, the imported image is resized into one 256x256 or 512x512. So after that, the original fingerprint image is taken from the dataset. The dataset 2 consists of the fingerprint images. After getting the images, we just move to the similar step of resizing the fingerprint image into one 512x512. After that, the segmentation part. So the third stage of the project is the segmentation. In this segmentation, first of all, facial region is extracted by means of the Villajones method. Like this, the bounding box will extract the region of the facial portions. Similar to that, we are applying the morphological operation to extract the region of the fingerprint like this. After that, we are going to apply the GLCM for both the fingerprint as well as the face image. Now this is the image for GLCM image which we have applied for the fingerprint. After that, we just applying the co-occurrence matrix for the facial image like this. Then finally, we have to classify whether the image is having the criminal record matched or not. If it isn't matched, means we have mentioned the name of the person and then the ID of the person. Finally, the confusion matrix is made like this. Finally, the performance of the parameters will be accuracy, precision, recall will be evaluated and then shown like this. Thanks for watching this video.